So I just want to check the weights of the stock toe links, vertical arms and the camber arm versus the aftermarket ones that I'll be putting on. So let's get to it. Just wanted to show you the comparison of all of them next to each. So, you know, stacked. And this is actually really heavy. This is, for what it is, it's actually really heavy. So that's those. This is the aftermarket one. And then I've got two different types of toe links. I'm gonna go with the UPR one. They are a bit heavier, but they just seem better built, to be honest. So I'm gonna go for those. And then I've got the Steeder Del Ring vertical links, which are made for zero give, basically. So let's do the weight. So that's my recorder weight setup. So factory toe link weighs in at 1.14 kg. I'm gonna see if I can turn that into pounds, which is 2.5 pounds. Yep. So 1.14 kg or 2.5 pounds. Stock toe link. Stock vertical link is at 720 grams or 1.55 pounds. Stock camber arm is at 2.12 kg or 4.65 pounds. Yeah. So that's the weights. Aftermarket camber arm comes in at 3.35 pounds or 1.54 kg. So let's just compare how much was that. So 1.54 versus 2.14. So that's a good, you know, 600 grams, which is considerable, really. So that's those. So I've got the UPR toe links. Actually, this is unfair. I'm just going to remove all the hardware. So UPR toe link comes in at 1.28 kg or 2.8 pounds. So how much was the stock one? Where is it gone? Where did I put it? Oh, there it is. So that's 1.28 kg versus 1.12 kg. So the difference is minimal, but look at the quality of this. Oh, these are falling out, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. I'll sort that in a minute. Next we have factory vertical link versus Steeder vertical link. So again, factory vertical link comes in at 720 grams or 1.5 pounds basically. Steeder, wow, it's not as heavy as I thought. This is 880 grams versus 720. So, you know, not much in it at all, 180 grams, and considering what it gives you, I know which one I want on my car. So that's just a quick weight comparison of all these parts. Now, one other thing I'm going to do real quick is I'm just going to check the weight of the SR one versus the UPR. So again, UPR is 132, so 132 grams, no sorry, 1,320 grams or 1.32 kg. SR is 1,160 grams, so fairly light, much lighter. In terms of build quality, I know which one I want on my car, to be honest. I do like these because they've got a grease point. These don't, but I want to put these on.